This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the developer tools on the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To access the developer tools, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down and place your cursor over where it says developer. You'll slide straight off to the right, and right here is developer. The keyboard shortcut is ctrl plus shift plus I. I'm going to click on developer. It opens up the developer tools at the bottom down here. Now from here you could stretch out on this pane. You make it as big as what you want, as small as what you want. You can go off to the right side over here to the three-dot menu. You could click on that. You could choose whether to dock it. By default, it's docked at the bottom. You could dock it to the left side. You could dock it to the right side. Or you could open it in a separate window. I'm going to dock it to the right side. Now it has opened up on my right side of the screen. You could stretch out on it. That is how to access the developer tools in the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.